Welcome! Today, we're making a rich, creamy, and comforting rice pudding that's simple to prepare with everyday ingredients. It's perfect served warm or chilled and makes a delicious dessert any time of the year. You'll need 1 cup short grain rice, 4 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 talker 2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 talker 2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 talker 4 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons butter, ground cinnamon for garnish raisins, or chopped nuts, optional. Rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water. In a large saucepan, combine the rice, milk, heavy cream, salt, and cinnamon. Bring everything to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Reduce the heat to low and cook for about 30 to 35 minutes, stirring frequently. Once the rice becomes soft and the mixture thickens, stir in the sugar, butter, and vanilla extract. Continue cooking for another 5 minutes until the pudding is smooth, creamy, and rich. Spoon the rice pudding into serving bowls. Sprinkle with ground cinnamon and top with raisins or chopped nuts if desired. Enjoy it warm for ultimate comfort or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing dessert. And that's it. Creamy homemade rice pudding that's easy, comforting, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy homemade desserts.